This is what you do in case you want to clip out or cut out a certain region or a district from an already given map of a country. If you have a shape file of a country, you can simply cut out the district or a certain region by just going to your catalog. Then you select the shape file of the country. Let me say in this case we are going to use Uganda districts. You drag it into your data view. Then your map comes here. Let me first label it here so that I can know the districts I'm cutting out. I right click on the table of contents. I right click on UG districts. Then I label the features and all my districts are labeled. Now I want to cut out or clip out some 2 or 3 districts. So all I will do is I go here on select feature, I click on it, I come on the district I want. Let me say I want to cut out Hoima. I'll click on Hoima. You see it has been circled by a bright color, and then I go to geoprocessing. When I go to geoprocessing, I select clip. When I select clip, then it asks for the input features. The input features I'm still going to put the UG districts, the whole map of Uganda. I select UG districts as my input feature. It's loading, it's a bit slow. Then it has loaded. I go to clip features. The clip features still I put the map of Uganda, UG districts. Then here it asks for the output feature class. Here I will need to just change the name that I'm going to save. So I can say Hoima underscore clip. I just put in clip so that I can know that the Hoima shapefile that I'm creating came from clipping tool. So I save it. Then I go, I click OK. Now it's processing. Now it has finished processing. You can still have a shapefile in my table of contents called Hoima underscore clip. Then I can repeat the same procedure. Select feature. You activate it. It's already active anyway. Then I go here and select another district like Masindi. I click in it. As you can see, it has been circled with a bright color. I come back to geoprocessing. I click clip, and then I input Uganda again, Uganda districts. Then even the clip features, I put Uganda districts. Then I put the name I want to create, which is let me say Masindi underscore clip. Then I save this one too. Then I click OK. Now when I click OK, it's processing. You see Masindi has also been shaded. Then let me say I also select Bulisa. I select Bulisa, I go to geoprocessing, I click it, I input features, which is Uganda districts. Then I also input Uganda district, click features Uganda districts. I put the name I want to save it as Bulisa underscore clip. Then I save this one. Then I click OK. And then you can see that I have these 3 districts here. If you check in your catalogs here, you can see that these files have been created: Bulisa clip, Hoima clip, and then a Masindi clip. You can see that these shape files have been created just simple like that. Then another thing I can do here, maybe I can come and I disable the Ugandan districts and I stay with these two. I mean with these 3 districts that I've cut out, and then I can do other things I need to do with those districts. Basically, that's how you can clip out a district, so a certain region from a bigger given map or of a certain shapefile.